The power of polynomials. Raising a polynomial in a given power means multiplying it several times by itself. Hence, the multiplication rules are also applied when a polynomial is raised in a power. Here we will consider only polynomials raised to the third power at maximum, as higher powers will be explained in the next chapter when dealing with the binomial coefficients. Another restriction in this section is the number of polynomial terms. Thus, we will deal only with polynomials that have only 2 terms, binomials, or 3 terms, trinomials, because studying polynomials with more terms requires the same approach. It only takes more time to make the operations and other arrangements. Let's consider a couple of examples. Example: if p, x, equals 2x minus 1 and q, x, equals x squared minus 5x plus 1, calculate the following shown on screen. Solution: A. We have the following shown on screen. B. We have the following shown on screen. C. We have the following shown on screen. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.2.8. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.2.9, the graphing polynomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.